To ensure stability in its agriculture sector, China is not leaving things to Mother Nature. The Chinese government is planning to employ upgraded weather control systems in Heilongjiang, Jilin, and Liaoning, the three provinces responsible for 54% of the nation's rice production. The project, which will continue until June, involves creating artificial rain using cloud seeding, special aircraft, rockets, and much more. China has been tinkering with the idea for years, but how controllable can the weather be? Skeptics fear the consequences of meddling with nature at this level could be dire.
Truthfully, we remain in a very dark winter.
Another example is the array of technologies, often referred to collectively as geoengineering, that potentially could help reverse the warming effects of global climate change. One that has gained my personal attention is stratospheric aerosol injection, or S.A.I, a method of seeding the stratosphere with particles that can help reflect the sun's heat in much the same way that volcanic eruptions do. An S.A.I program could limit global temperature increases, reduce
These machines that you're seeing in front of you are cloud producing machines built by the governments. They have multiple patents. You can go look up right now on Google or Wikipedia and find these patents to see just how far advanced these cloud machines and cloud producing vapor machines have become since the Vietnam War, when they used this to try to create monsoons to wash out the transportation trails for people to get supplies to their bases back in Vietnam. This is an example of a NASA facility testing out rocket engines, and these rocket engines actually create enormous amount of water vapor. This is one of the largest man-made clouds ever produced, and they have these capabilities not only at this facility but all over the globe. After producing these massive clouds, just miles down from this facility, it creates rain, actual man-made rain. What you see here is the NEXRAD radars across the United States, and you can see these coming up in these little blue spots, and these show up on radar how they push and maneuver these fronts using NEXRAD ionospheric heaters. This satellite data right here shows chemtrails being used all over the North American continent, including Canada, the US, and Mexico areas, all over the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. They can use these chemtrails to create polar vortexes within the North American continent. Ionospheric heaters or pump facilities are used to create these depressions in the ionosphere to steer the jet stream. These are some current HF pump facilities. The HARP, or High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program in Alaska, is 33 acres of these antennas strewn all across the land up there, and they use these as big beams, big microwave beams, to push and bulge the ionosphere way up in the atmosphere to maneuver the jet stream exactly where they want it to go and create these dips in the jet stream. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Subscribe and like to watch our next video updates. Thank you.